Ngano pata kabalen, kaso ating may request, mag-English ta pa kanu uling magobra tamo call center. Magluto tamo yan Amerikano seafood. Ito balata ka lang ako biyas mag-English. Now you just magic the sibuyas or the onions and the garlic, and then you push, and then yes, it's okay now. And then you put vinegar, taba, oil. You put vinegar oil on the pot and dairy cream na was by to darang lumanog, and then you put it on the pot, and then after on the kawali you simmer and wait for a few minutes. You simmer, you single, and then you go, and then let's wait for it to get golden and cream, yeah. And then you shake, and then you bake the onions and the garlic, and let's wait for a few minutes, and let's put the Americanong seafood. Now it's okay. Now you put the shell and pusit, and you put the paro G, yeah, the shrimp. And then after a few minutes, you just need to put all the seafood that we have. Sa mag-English naman, pas, sab. And then you wait for a few minutes so that the taste will be very good, and the paro G will get kulay orange. And after this kulay orange, you just need to wait for a few minutes, and we're going to put our spices for our Americanong seafood. First one's the oyster sauce that nabili kay Apong Emmy, asawa ng Bapang Ray, 38th Street. This is the pampalasa and the main ingredients so that the seafood will taste like a seafood. And then the spices, the salt, the pepper, the magic sarap konti, and the ditak bechin. Alright. And now, we need to put the soda. The soda is the royal that I'm drinking right now, like that. Yeah, it's a soda. It will taste, and it's a sugarize the seafood, and it will melt like so tasty. Alright, English. Okay, and then let's wait for a couple of minutes to get the boiled. You see the boiling water or the boiling soup or the sabo is boiling in there. And now let's wait for it, and then we're going to eat that later on. That the seafood is just a credit in Talipapa with my barkada and my kumparing George. So you look at that, it's so yummy. So let's wait again for a couple of minutes to cook with our Americanong seafood. Okay, and regarding the suka, I know you will be asking where we get the sausawan. The sausawan you need to get to buy in the park, and then the tusok-tusok, and then yeah, it's libre na, di ba? You will not get to buy. O yan, may labas na naman kaya katabong vlog. Gusto ng English yan. At saka nakalpibarkada niya yan. Bagsakya pa. Alright. Takal salamat kaya ka, Raven. Siyempre, abe may George na naman bakla trip na mo. Ipare kong dos. At siya naman ni Daddy Rolling, masanting lalaki. Ang po pare kong Francis, ang po yung birthday boy. Eugene, congrats. Takal salamat kayong pamanalben naman kayong vlog ko. At like and follow yung page. Yung Kabalan Hoops. Bagsakya pa.